Next question. Hey, Bradley, if I take on one client, I'm not going to be working on their self-hosted website, but I will do all the off-page stuff like ID page, citations, PR, blogs, etc. How would you handle if they ask, why are you using a different phone number than ours? Why would you be using a different phone number? Brett, if I take on a client where I'm not going to be working on their self-hosted site, but I will do all of the off-page stuff, why are you using a different phone number than ours? Well, why would you be using a different phone number? I don't understand that. Alex, if you're on, I sure would like to know why, like, where does that come from? That seems like it's out of place, that question. It just, unless you're talking about all the assets that you build, you want to use a different phone number. Okay, for tracking, but why wouldn't you just put the tracking phone number on their website too? Like, that doesn't make any sense to me, right? They can still keep their primary number. And remember, guys, if in the Google Business Profile, you have a primary number, you can add additional phone numbers. Only one, the primary number is going to be displayed publicly. But you can associate any additional phone numbers with the location via the additional phone number option in the Google Business Profile. So if you're going to use a tracking number, why wouldn't you be consistent with the tracking number everywhere? Remember, if you're doing the off-page work, which is going to ultimately benefit their website too, why would you want to have two different sets of phone numbers out there, right? Why wouldn't you just put the tracking phone number on so that you could, prove to them that your marketing is working, not just from when somebody calls from an external asset, but also when they call on the website, right? So you can tie results back to you. Yeah, I understand that, but I mean, like, honestly, I would be consistent with the number everywhere. And they could still have their normal phone number. So any of their existing customers that are calling back would be accredited to them only, not to your work, because they had the original phone number, right? Or whatever. But what I'm saying is any off-page work that you do should provide a lift in their digital presence for their website and their Google Business Profile too, right? So aren't you also responsible for the increase in leads that they receive from their website and their Google Business Profile? Yeah. So I would be consistent with that phone number everywhere so that all leads are tracked through that one number. Forgive me if that doesn't make sense to you, but I just don't understand why you would want to have two separate numbers. It doesn't make any sense to me. That would cause problems more than it would help in any way, shape, or form. So I want to tie the call back to me. Yeah, I mean, build your own assets then, and then rent your own assets out. That's clear. You know what I mean? That's one way you could do it. But if you're working on a client's branded properties, you should be, consistent with the contact information everywhere that you publish. Full stop, in my opinion. Okay. If it's you doing all the off-page work, I don't understand why where else would they be getting leads from? Right? I mean, an existing customer base, fine, but outside of that, how else are they getting leads? Right? Digital marketing and things like now, if they're going to do, direct mail and offline marketing and they want to use their own phone number, that's fine. And if you're not managing that, that's fine. But their digital presence should be consistent. Okay.